Hey guys, it's Jason over here at MarineMax in Dallas, Texas, and today I am on board of a brand new 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 270. The 270 is their flagship of their Grand Mariner series. A couple cool things I like about this boat are these super long loungers right here. You can fit a lot of people on it, stretch out, relax. You know, also the bow shade here hooks to the tower, so if you need to get out of the sun, you can. One of my other favorite things is this EC package that we do here. So I do a lot of entertaining on the boat, or if you do a lot of entertaining on the boat, this little thing off to the side here allows you to put some ice in here, drinks, fruits, whatever, and not to mention this super cool refrigerator by Isotherm. On the helm here, guys, we've done the dual Simrads with the wood grain option package. Just gives it that nice touch of class, ease of use. Everything is right there in front of you, from what's going on inside the boat, outside the boat, underneath the boat, and in the boat. And last but not least, this awesome lounge area back here. This lounge area back here, everybody seems to fight for it. So on the 270, as you can see, it is super large. So for more information on this Harris 270 Grand Mariner, my name is Jason here in Louisville, Texas.